Hello, I'm Robert Howe of the law firm of Robert Howe PC, located in Brooklyn, New York. Today we're going to be talking about deeds in lieu of foreclosure and short sales. These topics come up in a foreclosure setting whenever the homeowner is behind on their mortgage payments and the bank has either threatened or actually started a foreclosure action. A deed in lieu of foreclosure means exactly that. It means you could give the bank a deed instead of them foreclosing against your property. Now, this short circuits the process of foreclosure, gets the homeowner out from under the stress, aggravation, and burden of actually being foreclosed upon. It's a little more orderly process to end a foreclosure action by actually saying to the bank, look, I can't make the payments anymore. I can't keep this house. I'm going to give you a deed instead of you foreclosing against me, and please leave me alone. The other way to resolve a foreclosure action is to have a short sale. A short sale means you list your property for sale, you attempt to get the best price that you can. If, however, the prices in your market are below what you've mortgaged your property for, in other words, the sale price is less than your principal mortgage balance, that's called a short sale. You would basically say to the bank, look, I've tried to sell my property in order to satisfy your loan, but prices in my area have dropped precipitously. And whereas I might have been able to get $100,000 more in a good market, now my value of the house has dropped, say, $200,000. So you may only get an offer of, say, $300,000 to buy your house that you have a $400,000 mortgage on. You would approach the bank, tell them what your situation is. Of course, the bank would want to verify all these facts. In fact, that the property values in your area are only about $300,000. Then they probably would agree to what's called a short sale. You'd go to a closing, you'd collect $300,000 for the sale of your home. All of that would be turned over to the bank, less some fees for broker's commission, attorney's fees, and transfer tax. Whatever the net is, 100% of the net would be turned over to your lender. By doing so, you would once again be out from under this foreclosure burden, be able to move on a little less stressfully, and maybe reestablish your life and your credit. So those are different ways of resolving foreclosure situations. Once again, my name is Robert Howe. I'm an attorney with the law firm of Robert Howe PC, located in Brooklyn, New York. And we've just been talking about deeds in lieu of foreclosure and short sales.